Hey there, I just want to make this really quick video. If you're looking for comparison between the R-120SW and the Klipsch R-121SW, like what are the main differences? I found this on Reddit, so here it is. So main difference is size and material. So 120 is a copper spun IMG injection molded graphite, and 121 is a spun copper TCP thermoform crystalline polymer. Not sure what the actual difference is, and the size is a big difference. The 120 is 4 obvious lighter and 2 narrower. Also slight crossover differences that you won't notice. And I just want to make this quick and effective video. What you need to know if you're looking to buy both of these. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.